Question number 1. In 1856, which Governor General of India occupied Awadh at the charge of misgovernance? Correct answer is option A, Dalhousie. Question number 2. What was one of the main trade goods of the Indus Valley civilization? Correct answer is option B, cotton textiles. Question number 3. Identify the waterways which separate the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. Correct answer is option D, 10-degree channel. Question number 4. The sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration of tribal areas in which region? Correct answer is option A, Northeast India. Question number 5. During October-November 2025, which two Indian states hosted the Trishul 2025 Prize Services exercise? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Question number 6. Which automotive company delivered India's first electric double-decker AC bus to Delhi for its iconic heritage sightseeing tour? Correct answer is option D, Switch Mobility. Question number 7. Which of the following is a correct comparison between the east and west coastal plains of India? Correct answer is option D. West coast is narrow and contains prominent natural harbors. Question number 8. India and Dash reaffirmed their commitment to the sustainable management of transboundary water resources in February 2026. Correct answer is option C, Bhutan. Question number 9. Which AI tool has been deployed by the Securities and Exchange Board of India to monitor misleading financial content and crack down on unregistered finfluencers? Correct answer is option B, Sudarshan. Question number 10. Agenda 21 was adopted in which of the following summit? Correct answer is option A, First Earth Summit. Question number 11. Who has the power to initiate the process of removal of the election commissioners? Correct answer is option B, President. Question number 12. Dash is set to establish India's first dedicated quantum and AI university campus in Amaravati. Correct answer is option D, National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. Question number 13. In a sound wave, compressions are regions where density dash. Correct answer is option A, as well as pressure is high. Question number 14. The current account of the balance of payments primarily includes. Correct answer is option C, trade in goods and services. Question number 15. Who took over as the Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in May 2025? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Poonam Gupta. Question number 16. The Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 aims to provide a fast track to Indian citizenship for minorities from which three countries? Correct answer is option B, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Pakistan. Question number 17. The longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks are known as. Correct answer is option C, dunes. Question number 18. What is the full form of PCB? Correct answer is option B, printed circuit board. Question number 19. In India, by whom is the Chief Minister appointed? Correct answer is option C, Governor. Question number 20. In which of the following years was the National Seeds Policy launched? Correct answer is option C, 2002. Question number 21. Center-state relation is mentioned in which part of Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C, Part 11. Question number 22. Which of the following is not the genre of Hindustani classical music? Correct answer is option A, Gamaga. Question number 23. Which of the following factors determine the state of a substance, whether it will be solid, liquid, or gas? Correct answer is option A, pressure and temperature. Question number 24. Which constitutional amendment introduced the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution, commonly known as the Anti-Defection Law, to curb political defections by legislators? Correct answer is option C, 52nd Amendment Act 1985. Question number 25. The chemical name of vitamin B1 is? Correct answer is option D, thymine. Question number 26. Who has been conferred with the Ashoka Chakra for the year 2026? Correct answer is option C, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. Question number 27. Which of the following is the oldest form of Hindustani classical music? Correct answer is option A, Drupad. Question number 28. Under its new agreement with the BCCI starting in 2025, what official role does Asian Paints hold with Team India? Correct answer is option B, official color partner of Team India. Question number 29. Who took charge as a member of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste in March 2026? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Partha Biswas. Question number 30. The Pakal Dal hydroelectric project currently under construction is located on which tributary of the Chenab River? Correct answer is option B, Marusudar River. Question number 31. The Bagh Caves, which contains Buddhist mural paintings, are located in which of the following states of India? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 32. Who has been appointed as the part-time chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Bank for the term from November 13, 2025 to March 26, 2028? Correct answer is option B, S. Krishnan. Question number 33. The Shavadara temple of Nagara style is located at which of the following places? Correct answer is option C, Diogar. Question number 34. The first UN International Conference on Environment was held at? Correct answer is option C, Stockholm. Question number 35. which of the following is causative factor for oral cancer? Correct answer is option B, tobacco. Question number 36. Which part of the Constitution of India contains the provisions of Union Executive? Correct answer is option A, Part 5. Question number 37. Which of the following communicates with the hardware and control devices and peripherals attached to a computer? Correct answer is option D, device driver software. Question number 38. Which one of the following sites consist late Harappan period and Jorve culture? Correct answer is option C, Daimabad. Question number 39. The eminent figure Jagdeep Chokar passed away at 80 after a heart attack in September 2025. What was he famous for? Correct answer is option D, founding the Association for Democratic Reforms and advocating for electoral reforms. Question number 40. Which of the following states is the leading producer of jute in India? Correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.